guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday, maybe 10 to 15 minute makeup tutorial. I'm hoping it'll be 10 to 15 minutes long, but this is like my everyday look. If I'm going to the grocery store, if I'm going to the bank, if I'm going no, not to the gym. We definitely not wearing this to the gym, but basically like every day, if I'm putting on makeup, this would be my everyday makeup. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I do for my everyday makeup, just keep on watching. Okay, I apologize if you hear any background noise. There's a lot of stuff going on outside and it's just super loud at the moment, but I apologize for that. So let's just quickly jump into this tutorial. So obviously we start off with a clean face, and I have two primers that I'm currently using at the moment. The first one is the No Problem Prime Essence, and the other is the Stellar Brilliant Primer. So every product that I'm going to use on my face is basically a part of my Shop My Stash for this week. So going in with the No Problem first, I like to just dab this on my face, let it drip down because it's such a watery consistency. I put this on first and I just rub it in. Clean hands, of course. I have no idea what's going on outside. It's just craziness. And I'm like, I would pick the moment to start doing this tutorial right when it's just like a bunch of mess going on, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's my life. And I like to let this kind of just sit in my face, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna go in straight with the next primer. So I apply this to the center of my face and obviously like in my T-zone, just because it does kind of minimize my pores just a bit. So now for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is some basically full coverage. Is this a full coverage foundation? I think this is a full coverage foundation, but I'm like somewhat the full coverage queen. Like I can get glam in the day, it doesn't matter for me. So I'm going to be mixing the shades Buff Beige and the shade Honey, and I apply this to my face, kind of using my fingers, because remember this is like every day, so every day I'm kind of like in a rush. Blending this out, and my hair looks super crazy, but I've been running around all day getting ready for Thanksgiving, so this is like all day hair for me. So now going in with concealer, and the concealer I'm using right now is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Honey. So this is a nice concealer. I really enjoy this. It's super nice. I really like this concealer. I'm going to blend that out. So I'm using the Airspun. I cannot talk today, but I'm using the Airspun Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage, you know, because I need my coverage. And I look up all the time just because, you know, it helps with my creases, and I just work it back and forth, kind of just blending it in to the eye. Baking, it's not my best friend, just because I'm somewhat dry in the winter time, and I don't know, like I tend to get away with baking in the summer when I'm my greasiest, you know. To set the rest of my face, I am taking the LA Girl Pro Face HD powder in Soft Honey. I really enjoy this as well. Taking a flat dense brush and really pouncing that on the skin, and this adds just a hint of color back to my face. And for contour, I'm going to pull out my Pretty Vulgar Bronze B contour, and I'm gonna take an angled brush and contour out the hollows of my cheeks and really bronze my face, bringing back some additional color. to my face. So I like to chisel out my papa, you know, we call it the papa, my potato, and just kind of chisel me out, you know, that bronzer, and kind of just passing that down the bridge of my nose. But now that we have the bronzer out, I'm quickly gonna show you what else I use this bronzer for. So taking the bronzer really quickly and taking a fluffy eye brush and just really passing that through my crease, you know, giving me some color, because I'm on the go, so I don't have time to pop out an eyeshadow palette and really get creative right now. I'm a mom, I have to pay bills, I gotta go. I look like I tried. Going to spray my face because I want to apply some good amount of highlight and I don't want my face to look very powdery. So at this point, I like to take some setting spray. I'm using the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray, and I'm going to just, so I'll take my sponge and just kind of press that down and help that melt into the skin. So taking this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade 24 Karat Gold, I'm gonna take my highlighting brush. The thing about this highlight, I feel like I get nothing. That's why this is on my chopping block, you know, for the week, cause, but let's see what we get here. Maybe have to just build it up. My contouring brush, just kind of blend that in. Whatever product I have left. I think I just went ham. Blend that out. Now, fixing my brows just a slight bit. I'm going to brush them out. Taking the brow pencil that I'm using at the moment is the Billion Dollar Brow Pencil in the Universal Brow Pencil shade, I guess. This is Universal Color. It's a nice brow pencil, gets the job done. So I just kind of go around with the natural shape of my eyebrow and just fill in any sparse areas. Nothing too crazy. Okay, now that we're done with the brows, I'm gonna apply a quick coat of some brow gel. This is my favorite brow gel. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. Am I saying that right? So we take this and apply that to the brows to set them. I absolutely love this product. Never fails me at all, so I keep using it. Taking my bronzer really quickly, I'm taking that same fluffy brush and just taking that and just gliding that under my under eye just to bring my eyes together. I just feel like I was missing a little something and I'm like, what is it? And because we're on the go, I like to take a quick, you know, like a nude eyeliner. It could be black, it could be whatever you like, but I just like to use like a nudish eyeliner just to really brighten up my under eye or my waterline. LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner in the shade Champagne. So taking now a quick coat of mascara, because I don't apply falsies every day. That is not my type of vibe. I just like to use mascara. The Tarte Big Eagle mascara. Now that we have done our lashes, I'm going to apply a quick coat of lipstick. I'm using right now this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is basically a project pan. I'm trying to finish whatever is in here off. It's a very nice shade, but I'm just trying to get rid of it. Okay guys, I am back and this is my finished look. This is what I consider everyday makeup for me. Yeah, if this is too glam for some people, I understand, you know, to each his own. So you can definitely minimize certain things that I used or use less of certain things that I used, but this is for me my everyday makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed my everyday makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell on your way out. And I know I'm supposed to be sticking to my schedule, but because it is such a hectic week and I'm not going to be uploading on Thanksgiving because, you know, obviously it's Thanksgiving and I don't expect everyone to be watching or whatever. But yeah, so since it's a hectic week, I'm gonna be kind of uploading off schedule. But yeah, I hope you guys don't mind it. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.